When it comes to trading, one of the stories that catches more attention is the one of Richard Dennis. Who is Richard Dennis? That's your question, right? Richard Dennis was a commodities trader, famously transformed a starting capital of $400 into a fortune estimated to be around $200 million. This impressive feat was achieved through a systematic, trend-following trading strategy that he later proved could be taught to others. His most significant contribution to the trading world was the turtle trading experiment, where he trained a group of novice traders to use his simple system and achieve remarkable success. In this video, we're going to be diving deeper into Richard Dennis's wonderful success story and how you could use his story as an inspiration to possibly achieve wonderful results as well in trading. He started his trading career at a young age, becoming an order runner on the trading floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. He later began trading for his own account at the Mid-American Commodity Exchange, where he built his initial capital. Now, let's face it. Imagine this: $400. That's it. Enough for a fancy dinner, maybe a new pair of shoes. But how someone actually took that tiny sum and transformed it into $200 million? Not over a lifetime of saving, but through pure, unadulterated trading genius. This isn't a fairy tale. This is the incredible, almost unbelievable true story of Richard Dennis, a man who, in the gritty, high-stakes world of commodity trading, achieved what many believed was impossible. He wasn't born into wealth. He didn't have a secret family trust. He started with next to nothing. And he redefined what was possible. But here's the burning question. Was it a fluke? Was he just a once-in-a-generation prodigy with an innate Midas touch? Or was there a method to his madness? A system that could be learned, taught, and replicated? Because if it was the latter, then the implications for your financial future are absolutely mind-blowing. Our story begins not in a pristine office tower, but in the chaotic, deafening pandemonium of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange trading pits in the early 1970s. This was a gladiatorial arena where fortunes were made and lost in the blink of an eye. And a young man named Richard Dennis, barely out of college, armed with that meager $400, decided he was going to conquer it. He wasn't a finance major, he was a philosophy student. But he had an insatiable curiosity, a fierce independent streak, and a conviction that the market wasn't entirely random. He believed there were patterns, discernible movements that, if understood, could be leveraged. He started small, trading soybeans and other commodities. He wasn't looking for quick riches, but consistent, methodical gains. He meticulously studied market data, developing a keen eye for trends. And slowly, steadily, that $400 began to multiply. $400 became $4,000, then $40,000. Each win, no matter how small, fueled his confidence and refined his approach. What set Richard apart wasn't just his success, but how he achieved it. He wasn't relying on gut feelings or hot tips. He was developing a purely rule-based system. He believed that emotional decision-making was the enemy of profitable trading. Instead, he sought to codify his insights into objective, repeatable rules for entering and exiting trades. He was one of the pioneers of systematic trading. This disciplined, systematic approach was a game changer. As the 70s progressed, Richard Dennis's wealth exploded. He became known as the Prince of the Pit, a legendary figure whispered about in trading circles. His initial $400 investment wasn't just growing. It was compounding at an astonishing rate, from hundreds to thousands to hundreds of thousands, and then into the millions. By the early 1980s, Richard Dennis was a multimillionaire, virtually unheard of for someone of his age who had started from scratch in trading. Nature versus nurture in trading. But amidst his meteoric rise, a fascinating debate emerged. Richard had a long-time trading partner, William Eckhart. Eckhart was a brilliant mathematician and a highly successful trader in his own right. They often discussed the nature of trading success. Richard believed that trading skill could be taught. Eckhart, while acknowledging the importance of discipline, leaned towards the idea that it was an innate talent, something you either had or you didn't. This fundamental disagreement led to one of the most audacious experiments in financial history. Can anyone be taught to trade? Richard, ever the maverick, decided to put his theory to the ultimate test. He made a bet with Eckhart. Richard firmly believed he could take a group of ordinary people with little to no trading experience, teach them his rules, and turn them into successful traders. Eckhart was skeptical. The stakes were high, and the results would either cement Richard's belief or prove Eckhart right. The call for turtles. So, in 1983, Richard Dennis placed an advertisement in the Wall Street Journal and the New York Times, inviting applicants to learn his trading secrets. Thousands applied. He selected a diverse group of individuals: a professional gambler, a former soldier, a Dungeons & Dragons game designer, even his own brother. They were, in essence, his turtles. Why turtles? Because Richard believed he was going to grow them, much like a turtle farmer grows turtles. He wasn't looking for finance experts. He was looking for intelligent, disciplined individuals who could follow rules. The chosen few were brought to Chicago for an intensive, 2-week training program. During those 2 weeks, Richard didn't hold anything back. He taught them everything: his precise trend-following system, his risk management strategies, his methods for determining entry and exit points, and perhaps most importantly, the psychological discipline required to execute those rules flawlessly, even when emotions screamed otherwise. He stressed the importance of cutting losses short and letting winners run. He taught them to be patient, to wait for clear signals, and to ignore the noise. The rules were complex in their nuance, but fundamentally simple in their execution. They were designed to remove subjectivity and emotion from the trading process. After the training, each turtle was given a trading account with real money, initially around $250,000 to $2 million of Richard Dennis's own capital. The pressure was immense. These were ordinary people, now entrusted with vast sums, executing a system they had only recently learned. And what happened? The results were astonishing. Over the next 5 years, the turtles, under Richard's system, collectively generated profits estimated to be over $100 million. Some individual turtles earned millions for themselves, effectively becoming millionaires from scratch. They proved unequivocally that Richard Dennis's methods could be taught. Discipline, rules, profit. The turtle experiment became legendary. It validated Richard Dennis's belief that trading success wasn't solely about innate talent, but about a teachable methodology coupled with unwavering discipline. It showed that if you could create a robust set of rules and then have the iron will to follow them consistently, regardless of fear or greed, you could achieve extraordinary financial results. Your takeaways from Richard Dennis. So, what can you take away from the incredible story of Richard Dennis and the turtle traders? Number 1. The power of a system. Relying on gut feelings is a recipe for disaster in trading. Develop a clear, objective system for whatever you do, whether it's trading, investing, or even building a business. Number 2, discipline. Over emotion. The market is a master of emotional manipulation. Learn to detach. Follow your rules, even when it's uncomfortable. Number 3, risk management is paramount. Richard Dennis always emphasized cutting losses short. Protect your capital above all else. Number 4, embrace learning. Richard was a perpetual student of the market. Never stop learning, adapting, and refining your approach. Number 5, you don't need to be a genius. The Turtles weren't financial wizards. They were ordinary people who committed to learning and executing a proven system. Richard Dennis eventually retired from active trading, but his legacy lives on. The Turtle experiment fundamentally shifted the perception of trading, proving that it could be a science, not just an art. It empowered countless individuals to believe that financial success is within reach, not just for the privileged few, but for anyone willing to learn, adapt, and most importantly, execute with discipline. From $400 to over $200 million. It wasn't magic. It was the power of a belief, a system, and the courage to prove it. If this story inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest takeaway from Richard Dennis's incredible story? And if you want to learn more about the specific rules of the Turtle trading system, check out the links in the description below. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pursuing your own financial freedom. Love you and love trading. Thank you.